Your journey continues, brave one. Your next quest will unlock a new ability. Frostbolt! Get ready to grow stronger. Trouble is here, my friend. Nocturnal Vex has created a cauldron of darkness. If it boils, it will spread darkness over Whispering Willow. We must act quickly to stop this. Your water abilities can cool the cauldron. Use your Frostbolt and other water abilities to cool the cauldron and defeat fire enemies. This will give me time to counter Vex's evil. Your water powers are our best hope. Let's save Whispering Willow. darkness are not welcome in Whispering Willow.
Drat! You win this time.
Incredible work, hero. You stopped Vex's plan and saved Whispering Willow. Thanks to you, Whispering Willow is safe again. I have a surprise for you. I finished the water piece of the Prism of Harmony. Once the other pieces are complete, we can unite it with the other elements. Peace will return to Whispering Willow.
Darkness, disappear!
Your journey continues, brave one. I see you have already unlocked the air boost ability. Good news! The birds are back in their nests. But wait, their eggs are gone. Someone has stolen them.
All the eggs are mine now. I'm going to corrupt them with darkness and raise them as my own.
Hurry, there's no time to lose. Bring those eggs back. Hit her out of the sky with your wind abilities. Right there, Vex. You're no match for the fury of the skies. Your wickedness ends here, Vex. Prepare to be blown away.
Drat! You win this time.
got all the eggs back from Vex. The birds are safe because of you. I finished the wind part of the Prism of Harmony. Once we have the rest, we can take it to the Great Tree to help restore the balance.
Darkness, disappear!
Your journey continues, brave one. I see you have already unlocked the Earth Platform ability. Ah, precious pony. It's time to heal the deer and bring them home. Use your Earth Platform ability to create paths and reach the deer. Then lead them back to the safety of the forest. I believe in you.
What's this? A secret cave inside of the mountain? I wonder what's inside.
Silly pony, you cannot save this world. I will spread the darkness until it overcomes this secret glade of yours.
Stop right there, Vex. I will give you one chance to leave this secret glade.
Ha! You think you scare me?
Your evil ends now, beneath the crushing force of the Earth.
Drat! You win this time.
Great work, Pony. I can't believe Vex tried to infect the secret glade. Your bravery was amazing. Thanks to you, the glade is protected and the deer are finally home, safe and sound. I've also completed the earth part of the Prism of Harmony. Let's unite it with the other elements to restore balance.
Darkness, disappear!
Your journey continues, brave one. I see you have already unlocked the Fire Shield ability. You're just in time. Nocturnal Vex has put out all the beacons, leaving the foxes lost. We need to light the beacons again quickly. Use your Fire Shield to protect yourself from anything Vex might throw at you, and light the beacons. Guide the foxes back home. Let's show Vex we won't give up.
Impossible. How dare you light those beacons again? Your defiance ends here. I'll punish those foolish foxes. Watch as I trap your fiery friends. This ends now.
Hey, get back here!
Your flames won't stop me. You're outmatched, little spark.
We'll see about that. I've got the power of the ponies on my side. Let's turn up the heat.
Drat! You win this time.
Fantastic work! You lit the beacons and guided the foxes home. Your courage and skill brought light back to the land. Despite Vex's attempts, your spirit prevailed. The foxes are safe and the beacons are lit. Thanks to you, our land is safe again. And guess what? I finished the fire piece of the Prism of Harmony. Once the other pieces are complete, we can place in the great tree and bring us one step closer to defeating Vex.
Darkness, disappear! Well done, young pony. Thanks to you, we can restore harmony to Whispering Willow. Elemental fairies unite. It's working. Young pony, you've done it. Whispering Willow is whole again, thanks to your bravery and determination. The once darkened skies now glow with the restored colours of the Prism of Harmony, and the land sings with life once more. The animals have returned to their homes, and the light of the Golden Heart shines brighter than ever, a beacon of hope for all who live here. The elemental fairies are rejoicing, for the balance has been restored, and their powers have been renewed. You have not only reassembled the Prism of Harmony, but also reminded us all of the power of courage, friendship, and the magic that lies within us all. Whispering Willow will forever be grateful for your kindness, and the light you have brought back to our world. Thank you, from the bottom of our hearts. Go forth with the knowledge that you have made Whispering Willow a place of beauty and peace once more. Farewell for now, and may your journey ahead be filled with light and joy.